On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install these carbon fiber hood lift supports. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. On today's video, this is much overdue. For the longest time, I've been using the hood prop on my car, and actually I did a lot of custom stuff in the engine bay, so it's no longer attached to the vehicle, so it kind of just sits in there. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install these carbon fiber hood lift supports. I got to give a huge shout out to Alan. He sent these over to me to try on my car and see how I liked them. I'll have them linked down below so you can pick them up as well. Out of all of them on the market, these are actually really affordable. I think I held out for the longest time just because of how much they cost and the availability on some of them. But like I said, these are actually pretty affordable. All right, let's get to installing these on the car. Now that we have the hardware attached to the vehicle, we got to get these struts on, and they have these little retaining clips on there that you need to take out in order to fit these into those brackets. And then once we have them on the ball joint, we just put them back in place to hold them. Installation was pretty much straightforward. I think anybody could do this at home if they wanted to, just with some simple tools you have laying around the garage. And yeah, I no longer have that annoying little hood prop thing here. So this is actually nice. It gives me a lot more space to work in the engine bay as well, as far as how high it's propped up the hood. And as you can see, it definitely gives you a little bit of resistance coming down, but nothing too crazy. Mind you, I do have a carbon fiber hood, so, but yeah, and then it comes up not too quick. So yeah, these work out really well. You can see the fitment on it is the same as it was before, so there's no issue with clearance when installing these on your car. And that's it, guys. That's as easy as that to install these on your cars. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to pick them up. And also, just so you guys know, when you click on those links down below, that helps the channel out. I do get a commission off of those links, so definitely be sure to check those out. And like I said, you can pick these up on one of those links down below. And thanks once again, Alan, for sending these things out to me. They work fantastic. Only thing that I wish that they had was a little bit better packaging that they came in. But other than that, I have no complaints with them at all. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. Alright, till next time, guys.